Hi, wonderful people. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. We are very excited to have you here. So today we are making a vibrant meal. Man, it is fried rice, air fried chicken, and some fresh veggie salsa. I have my rice in there and also some butter, and that brown liquid you are seeing is beef stock. Clean and prep my chicken and squeeze some fresh lemon juice over seasonings like paprika, the red pepper flakes, and some dried herbs, salt, and adobo powder, a scoop of garlic, and curry base. Thoroughly coat the chicken in the marinade, ensuring each inch is covered. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper, arrange the drumstick, and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the skin is beautifully charred and the meat is tender. I have in my glass bowl mixed sweet corn, diced tomatoes, diced onions, diced cucumbers, colorful bell peppers, and a few sliced peperoncini for a vinegary kick. Drizzle a generous amount of balsamic vinaigrette. Mix well so every vegetable is coated in that tangy dressing. Heat a little oil in a pan. I use coconut oil and saute sliced red onions and scallions. Then I went ahead to crack 2 eggs directly into the pan. Add your cooked seasoned rice to the pan. Toss in some shredded carrots and fresh chopped greens. Stir fry for a few minutes until everything is piping hot. Plate a hearty scoop of the egg fried rice, nestle 2 crispy chicken drumstick alongside, and finish with a spoonful of the fresh salsa. For an extra kick, add a dollop of spicy shito. Oh my word, you are going to love this.